Hey guys, this is Abhi and you're watching VR3. So from my last video, you guys know that I purchased a Crane 2 gimbal from AVCS India. The gimbal is from a company called Zhiyun Tech. I received the gimbal on 15th of October and unfortunately the Crane 2 gimbal did not come with original batteries. So I tried to contact Zhiyun Tech and AVCS India and it seemed that they are stuck with some BIS certification issues, and I got to know that they are not being able to send the original batteries to us. And as soon as I uploaded the video, I got tons of replies from you guys who purchased the Crane 2 just like me, and it seemed that we all are suffering, and it seemed that none of us got the original batteries from AVCS India. So we kept on insisting, Zhiyun Tech and AVCS India, that you have to send the original batteries to us. Why did not you inform us before we made the purchase? Well, it seemed that they didn't have an answer to this. So we kept on tracking and eventually Zhiyun Tech made a post on their Facebook official page. Original batteries of the Crane 2 are being shipped to us. So I had to send my invoice copy to AVCS India, and in response to that, they shared the tracking information with me. They sent the battery through Maruti Air Courier on 16th of November. Till today, that's November 20th, I didn't have an update, and even the tracking page of Maruti Courier didn't have any sort of tracking information about my package. So today I spent the whole day making calls and tracking, and I had to find out my package. By evening I came to know that my package was lying in the nearby hub. I personally have to go there to collect it. So well, here is the package. AVCS India again proves that they are irresponsible, because as you can see, my address is split and torn. Anyway, so here is the package and I have no clue what's inside. So let's just quickly unbox it. I just quickly need to wash my hands before I continue with it. Cut. Here is the original, the new one. This is the duplicate one which came along with the Crane 2. You can clearly see the difference. If you know the plus side, the difference is very clear, and it is not at all headless. And this is the reason why AVCS India is sending tiny magnets to some of you so that you can adjust with your green battery and charge it somehow. AVCS India were saying that the new batteries will come with BIS certification mark, but if you closely notice that there is no such marking on the batteries. So it's definitely clear that this has nothing to do with the BIS certification. Shockingly, I just came across another creator from UK. He texted me on Instagram. He said the same thing. He's suffering from the same problem. He's from UK and still he's getting this green batteries instead of the original ones. So there is something fishy happening with Zhiyun Tech and the distributors. I definitely suggest you to keep your eyes open if you're making a purchase. And if you have not received the original batteries yet, please keep insisting them. Talk to Zhiyun Tech so that you get the batteries as soon as possible. Please do not use any kind of magnets or something which they provide you, because eventually if you damage the original battery charger somehow, maybe today or tomorrow when you get the original batteries, they might not work perfectly. So that can be a problem for you then. So let me just quickly test the batteries. Now as you clearly see, the batteries lock up in the slots perfectly without any problem, and as soon as the USB charger is plugged, the red light is on. So there you have it. I'll be charging the batteries now, and I'll come up with a detailed review of the Crane 2 very soon. Now I thank each one of you for the support. Stay positive and keep creating awesome. And to all my new subscribers, well, welcome to the family. This is Abhi, and I'll see you on the next one.
Even for you, that's all.